recording. Let's go turn off that other stuff. Okay, I think I'm about as ready as I'm going to be. I looked at the power supply and I couldn't see anything wrong with it. Other than possibly diodes blown, but I'm not sure. Anyways, I'm going to put it back together. And a replacement one. One of these is only like about, it's an APS 70 PlayStation 3 Slim power supply, and they're only like about $26 to $46, around there. So about $25 to $50. Somewhere around there for a used working one. I gotta find all my screws now. I'm missing a few screws. Let me say that again. That's my Weeha. Why are you taking forever? The customer said you told him it would be ready in an hour. No, I said I would be ready in an hour. I didn't say this would be ready in an hour. You know, you can't listen to those customers. Well, what do I tell him? You don't want me to tell you what to tell him. Tell him it'll be ready when it's ready, and it's not ready. I may not be able to fix it. I look on internet, it say on Amazon you can get the replacement whole circuit, this guy, whole thing, $45. eBay, $26 to $45. So, if my repair skills don't work, then we have to buy a replacement one. Plug this wire in here. Plug this wire in. How do we plug this wire in again? You tell me. I don't remember. It just goes in like that. You just push down. What's wrong with it there? It's good. Alright. That is in. Now we need cover. Cover was special hinge operation. I remember. Special hinge operation. How you hinge? How do you hinge in here? We don't know. Oh, we don't know. How you hinge? How you hinge? Now this go first. We gotta check it. It goes like that. Let me check the camera, see if he sees what's going on. See what's going on over there. I'll get this. I'm using it for my microphone. Milo's got to get his 2 cents in. You know market me. We'll do these waters here. Maybe we'll do waters. This. Now you go like this. Now you go like this. You see? It's easy. You push. You push down. It's pushed. You push over here. It's pushed. Alrighty, now what do we do? You need a screw here. Screw. You got a screw loose, alright. I don't remember which one go in there. I think it's a big one. It's big screw. It's big screw, I think. I don't know. It's gotta be one of these. I'll be barking again. What's the way? Why you bark, Marla? Why you bark? Why you barking so much? Why you barking so much, Marla? I don't think this is on right yet. We gotta do this. Correcto, yes, maybe, yes, you're on right, you're on correct. I just need this screw to go in. It might not be the right screw. Shut dog. I've been recording nothing, I've been talking to myself. I'm running. I was putting this back together. And I didn't record. It's bad, it's very bad. Get alcohol now. You no drinking this alcohol. It's antiseptic. For treatments of minor cuts and scraps. And we use Civivi cleaning cloth. We clean you. Probably first time clean in a long time. Nice and shiny. We make you nice and shiny. You worky. Nice and shiny now. What is you? What are you? You come up. We need more alcohol, I think. I think we need more. I think you had enough. More alcohol. No. No, this is enough. Oh my God. We need brush. We need brush bad. Where is brush? I saw entrance to CD. And oh my God, is that? Where is brush? Where is brush? Here is brush. You clean it. You clean it too much. You need to clean it. I need light on my head. And I need to disconnect the microphone. Forget that stuff. Camera go. Fall down. Camera fall down. Alright, what am I looking for in here again? I already forget. Light for head. Headlight, yes. Let me get headlight. Get headlights with this. I turned the porch light on, but I need light looking forward. It's so dark here. It's so dark I cannot see. You cannot say those words on YouTube. I did not say that word. I said I cannot see. Cannot see. There. Spotlight. Red light. Spotlight. Spotlight. Okay, we tip up. Don't lose your panel. Got your panel right here, Copper. You need to clean your ports out too. Your ports down here need cleaning. Oh, I got the ports. Huh? What come up here? Something come loose. It look good. Oh, I see connect this up. How do you connect? How do you connect it this way? Tell me. Don't tell me nothing. What are you? Where do you go? Oh, I see. I see a funny. Which way you go? Up or down? Don't break it, don't break it. I need the needles. I needed the needles of the nose. I needed the needles of the nose. This is difficult here, it's difficult. It's not easy. You'll see, it's not easy. Get out of here, we don't need you. You need this go in here, like this. You grab it, back here, like this. You grab it. The glue is coming up, it's coming up. It's no good, it's no good it come out. Let me push it like this. You gotta see. I gotta be. I don't know, don't feel good. Straighten up. Straighten up and fly right, you. It's no good, it's no good. I break it, you break it. I warned you. You don't listen. You don't listen to me, I tell you, you don't listen. I don't know why. You never listen to me. Shut up. It's not easy. It's not easy, I'm telling you. Without this, you would get no power. I don't think it's going to work anyway. It's futile. It's only futile if you give up. Like Pig Dog. Alright, there's no need to call me Pig Dog. So you could not hear all of my discussion. Which was bad. It was bad discussion. Because this little thing right here is going to piss me off. Big time. You need the plastic piece, and I don't know where it got. Oh, there it goes. Here is plastic piece. That needs to be glued on. And it's not glued on now. We gotta glue somewhere. I know we got it. We got a glue out here because we used it earlier. Let's see, right here. See, you say, why you need glue? Now you know why. Now you know why. Not because I cut it myself, no. It's because of this right here, this. Hey, where's my needle nose? What do you got? What do you got? The customer says, I don't care what the stinking customer says. First I put glue on here and let it start gluing. We put it all on the back here, make it all sticky. Make sure you stick real good. Yes, put cap back on cap and glue. And get little plastic piece. And then what do we do? Was this this way or that way? It only go one way. It's this way. It's like this, I think. Yes, I see. I see. I line up where the paper come off from before. And now we need this right here. We need this to line up. And we need this to grab it. Grab you good. And you gotta be perfect. No sticky too much. No sticky not enough. You gotta be just right. Perfect, I tell you. Now I get a clothespin. Clothespin to hold you. Clothespin. I find the clothespin. Yes, you hold him like that. You make sure you're lined up properly though, but you hold him like that. You hold him like that for a long time. Maybe 3-4 days, I think. maybe not. Alright, this is gonna have to go in pieces. We have to upload in pieces because it's gonna be a long movie, I tell you. It's gonna be a long movie. People get bored if there's not excitement. Then, after that, I'm going to check. This was the Radio Shack, electronic equipment surge protector. The TV was not, the antenna was not going through there, but the antenna is not fried. This was fried. So we're gonna take these off. See, screws. We're gonna take that up later, but first we finish this. That's gotta dry for a little bit. I gotta go inside. Take a break, and I'll turn the Wi-Fi on. Let this charge up because the battery's dying. Battery's dying again, but we fix you. How much? We got two stars on our panel. We get another power bank. Talk to you later.